That was just really amazing.
That was, that's nice.
You know what? I wanna do the honors and invite our second pair of nominated princes and princesses up here tonight. Not
Where are
tonight,
they?
right now, right this instant. It is Alex Chan and Dan Dang.
Woo! Yeah! Good looking.
Come on up here, come on up here. Oh guys, it is so wonderful to be with
I like your hair.
tonight.
I haven't told you that.
You look... What are you wearing?
It's a dress I got at TJ Maxx.
Uh-oh. Yo, I'm gonna let you finish. But Sierra and Jade are one of the best dancers of all time. Out of here. Get out of here. Disgusting. Disgusting.
You're not in a good mood. Get out of here. What are you doing? You guys gotta go.
That guy, I think was no good.
Sorry, Dan and Alex, for that rude interruption. Wow. Can't believe that.
That's horrible. Who was that guy?
Let's just introduce the next two.
Next pair is...
Mackenzie Copeland and Corey Grant. Corey, how do you enjoy your hair? I mean, it's so... How do you do that? I don't... It's amazing. Okay.
Mackenzie, what's your favorite Greek mythological beast?
You.
Nice, good answer. Can we have our escorts, please? Give it up for them.
Oh, really?
Uh-oh, look out.
I got dance and feeling in my body. I think it's time to have on the all-around audacious and jazzy and sassy dance team up here.
I love those girls. Get them out of here. Where are they?